The Sky Lagoon is one of the coolest things you can do while in Iceland. We spent a few hours with the group there, and I'm going to tell you all about it. The Sky Lagoon is a geothermal spa less than 5 miles from downtown Reykjavik. Although the Blue Lagoon tends to be a bigger tourist draw, the Sky Lagoon is really cool in its own way. It does not have the blue water, but it's formed by rocks and not clay like the Blue Lagoon, which I hear is actually a lot cleaner for the experience. Sky Lagoon is also pretty new. Construction started in 2020 and they opened in April of 2021. The Sky Lagoon also has a bar with beer, wine, and non-alcoholic drinks. Overall, it was really an amazing experience. We spent about half of a day there, which is what I would tell you to do, maybe just a couple hours. Especially if you're drinking, you're going to be really tired and dehydrated, so maybe don't spend more than that, especially if you're going to have a beer while you're there. But overall, something you definitely should do while you're in Reykjavik.